Hello everyone, my name's Tahina and today I'll be unboxing my Cocoa Daisy for September, but it's October's inserts. Okay, so for the theme for October's inserts is called Flannel and Forest, and you get a card that kind of shows what you would get in a kit. And I like how they show a little month so you can pre-plan your month. And let's get to it. I did unsubscribe. I was subscribed in August and I unsubscribed in September, which I'm mad about because I wasn't using the inserts, so I didn't want to be paying $40 for the inserts. Well, this is like $40. But just the inserts is like 12 or something like that. But since school started and stuff, I know how I'm going to use these inserts. I'm going to use it for school and work to kind of balance it out so I'm not using all my time for one thing and not the other. So I subscribed again in October. I tried to get September's, but by the time I went to the shop, everything was sold out. So, for the first item is the pen that you would get if you got the planner kit. I want to check this out because I can't remember if it was the first pen I got or the second pen I got, but one of them, whoa. But one of them, that's not good. I'm only trying to take this stuff off. Can we get back in there? I don't know if it'll right now, but okay. So, I don't know if it was the first one or the second pen that I got where it did not work. And I didn't do this in the video. I didn't try it out or anything. But this one seems to work. So that's good. I like the flannel. That's why I had to get this kit. Okay, so next up is the washi. And if you got the planner kit, depending on what kit you get, depends on what washi you get, unless you get the add-on subscription, I guess you can call it, where you get all three of the washies. But to be honest, out of the months that I've been watching, there's never been a month where I wanted all three washies. There's always been, it's usually one, and then maybe two. But, so out of the three this month, this is the one I wanted. So, I like that. Hopefully it can come back up without tearing. Okay. So, I'll definitely use this washi. Next up, we have a clip. I don't believe we get a clip every month. Some items stay the same, and then some do not stay the same. So, I can't remember. So, you don't get a clip every month, because I have a couple of kits in a drawer over here. But I did like this clip, so I did want the clip. So, I'm glad I got that. But you always get a pen, and you always get a washi in the planner kit. Next up are die cuts, and you always get these. And the planner kit, you have to pay shipping, which I don't like. So the planner kit is like, I believe it's like $28.50. And then with the shipping, it, for me at least, it ends up being $37.50. Okay, so I'm just going to throw these out here. Hopefully you can see them. And they always come with tabs, which are cool. So you can make your own dividers. Okay, pumpkin spice everything. Oh, splendor of autumn. Stand tall, be brave, darling. Some pumpkins, some leaves, oh, a little heart, some more leaves, another tab, and harvest what you plant. Okay, so next up is some string to go with these, what do you call it, gift tags, or I don't know what you would call them. Put a sticky note on it, okay? Okay, that's a little, oh, okay, I guess, okay. So, this is not always in the kit. I'll have to look, because she really shows, like, how you can utilize all the items. So, you might have to look, I might have to look on Instagram to see. Here are the sticky notes, and we do get this every month. Okay, so, these are sticky notes. You get, I think you get 25, I'm not sure. But these are cute, I like the little leaves. So next up are these puffy stickers. These we do not get every month, and I do not use puffy stickers, so I'm not even going to open these. But hopefully you can see. They're just a bunch of leaves. She always gives you two refills for the pen, which is, and here's the notepad. We get this every month too. And that's cute. I like that one. And then here's the stickers you get in the kit, or the planner kit. There is a sticker, an actual sticker kit that you get, like full boxes and stuff. So I like these. I always use these to date the inserts because they're not dated. And then you also get this. You can also purchase these separately if you don't get the planner kit. But it's just easier to get the planner kit. For me at least. Okay. And you always, I forgot to tell you. Hey, why is my sticker sheet all messed up? I just noticed that. These always come every month. Those sheets. And then you always get papers. So, or you always get cardstock. Not just papers, but they're cardstock. I like this pattern. And then on the other side is a wood pattern. And then we have the falling leaves. And the plaid. I like this. I really like that side. And then we got this side and this one. Okay, now for the insert. So with the inserts, you always get this kind of bent a little bit. You always get the monthly tab, or the monthly divider, I should say, with the month and the year. That's the only thing about it. I wish she didn't put the year on here, because then you could use it the next year. Well, I would still use it like the next year and maybe put a sticker over or not worry about it, because I have used her inserts different years, because I was subscribed to her back in like 2016. So, and then I stopped. I don't know exactly why I stopped. Probably because I wasn't using the inserts. But it says life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. And then on the other side, there's the monthly at a glance, which is another thing that I wish she didn't do, because it's not going to be worth it if you use it October of next year. Okay, you always get like a week at a glance, which are cool. I always use these for like appointments or uploads for my YouTube channel or tests, anything like that that's really important that I don't necessarily need to go into the weekly to see it. I always put them here. And then on the other side, grid note. And I think she used to change this, but she used to change some of the stuff, but I don't think she changes it anymore. I think it's always going to be a grid notes right there. And with these, you always get 5 of these in case there's a month where you have 5 weeks. So she always gives you extras just in case. And same with the weeklies. I believe you get 5 of these. So this is a dot grid. And then here's the weekly spread. So it's a week on 2 pages. And then on the other side is grid again. Sorry if you hear that in the background. He's playing the game, so he gets super loud. Okay, so next up is the monthly. And again, we have a grid notes. So we have the month on 2 pages. And then back here, every month you have a year at a glance. So in case you plan out the year or anything's coming up or anything like that. And then lastly, you get dailies. And this is what I really like about Cocoa Daisy. You get the dailies as well. And you always get 31 sheets. So you could put the date up here. And then you have must do, call, or email, to do, schedule, hydrate. And then on the other side, you have a 15-minute pickup, meals, and then a notes section, which is cool because like if you're like working or something like that, you could jot down some notes you need. I usually use this for like if I'm designing stickers, then an idea just pops up while I'm designing or whatever. I could put it down here, so then I know that I want to try for that for the next new releases. Okay, so that's everything I got in my Cocoa Daisy planner kit. Let me know if you guys get Cocoa Daisy or if you're thinking about it. I'll link Cocoa Daisy down in the description box. And I would love it if you would like this video and subscribe. And I will see you next time.